Okay, so now we are under the truck, ready to drain the oil. And if you're like me, you got an old 5-gallon bucket or somewhere, and you want to just cut the side out of your bucket like I did right there. Cut you a window open, and it'll fit right up under your truck if your truck is tall enough, and you won't have to raise it. You'll also need a 19mm socket ratchet, and right there is your bolt that you'll have to take off right behind the axle center of the truck. So let's get busy loosening. Let's see, lefty, loosey, righty, righty, something, I don't know. Righty, oh, there it goes, okay. So, all right, just wait until you're a couple, quarts off before you change your oil, I recommend, because that way you don't have so much to have to drain out, right? So, but, oh, it's already starting to drip, so let me put my bucket under there. And start catching.